Chinoy Profiles, let's get to meet another successful Chinese-Filipino personality who has been outstanding in her own field.
Having 1, 2, 3, or even 5 dogs in the household is quite normal in the Philippines. But have you ever heard of someone having around 80 dogs? Meet the ultimate dog lovers, Karen and James Lee, and their house full of dogs. Karen first fell in love with dogs at the age of 9 years old.
Talagang mahilig ako sa aso nung bata pa, mga 8, 9 years old. Japanese Spitz yun na diaper ko pa siya. Ang mga siblings ko, ang mom and dad ko, walang mahilig sa aso. Hindi ko alam kung kanina ko nakuha, pero yun, I really love dogs.
Fortunately, Karen's husband James also loves dogs as much as Karen does.
Nung nag-asawa na kami, saka pa lang ako nagkahilig sa aso. Siya talaga yung mahilig sa aso, ako wala. Nung nagkaroon na kami ng anak, saka pa lang ako nag-start ng dogs, tapos na-develop.
Karen and James prefer to work and breed miniature pinschers.
Philippines are considered the king of toys. Sa mga maliliit na aso, sila yung pinakamayabang. A lot of personality, the movement, yung gating niya, napakaganda. So, compared to other small dogs, I don't know, ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko.
But with 80 dogs come great responsibilities and sacrifices.
Wala sa mga relative kung pupunta dito. If they do come sa labas, kasi when pumasok, talagang maingay. Actually, pinapabawas na sa akin kasi ako yung parating late kapag meron kaming gathering. Sometimes kasi may nanganganak, meron minsan na heat stroke, so hindi ako makaalis ng gusto kong oras. Kaya lang, dentist kasi din ako, so mas malakas loob, ako na personally gumagawa. Para yun na, personal touch.
Just like people, dogs have different personalities as well.
Meron mas dominant, ganyan. Meron namang mas selosa siya, ganyan. Iba-iba talaga sila. Sa dami nila, walang favorite, hindi pwede.
Wala ring favorite. Basta maliit pa lang kasi sila, kinakausap na. Just lahat ng pangalan. In the sense na ang pangalan, combination ng mom and dad.
Start talaga lahat sa house yung bonding yun eh. So, kaya sa dog show, hindi kami pwedeng wala kasi hinahanap kami. Naghahanap yung aso. So, parang irritable yung aso pag wala kami.
Karen and James frequently enter their dogs on dog shows, and they have won a multitude of awards.
Pudo na nga yung lagayan ko ng trophy, marami na sa cabinet. Ilan na yung Hall of Fame ko? Para magkaroon ka ng Hall of Fame, kailangan mo 100 points. Sa isang dog show, ang maximum na pwede makuha is only 5 points. Ito si Jody. Thailand champion din siya. Nakarating na to sa Thailand. Doon siya dumaban. Hall of Fame, Thailand champion. Tapos plus others pa kailangan hindi ko na matandaan. Dami kasi.
A dog is a man's best friend, or so they say. But while they may not totally replace human contact, they come pretty close.
Iba kasi ng aso, pag dumating ka, sobrang saya. Kasi like yung sa bahay, sa loob, pag akong dumating, talagang nagko-communicate ang ingay nila. Pag yung mga anak ko lang, hindi.
Siguro hanggang pagtanda ko, siguro at least meron ako siguro mga pinakamahina sa But still, siguro hanggang kaya kong mag-dog show ng dog show.
I am Karen Lee, Pantahua.
I am James Lee, Lee Ho, and we are proud to be Chinoys.
Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next week for another fun-filled episode of Chinoy TV. I am Christy Wu, 我是张彦贤, and this is Chinoy TV. 本节目是废话电视台，下个礼拜见。